The tide turns with the Overlord defeated. The alien armada becomes disorganized. Earth's forces, now united and bolstered by the Brothers in Black, push back the invaders. The planetary shield continues to protect against bombardments. Aftermath of battle, the alien forces retreat, and the immediate threat is neutralized. Brother Oni and Brother JJ secure Xander, ensuring he cannot escape again. They return to Earth to find Brother Aaron and Brother Orion being treated by medics. Emotional reunion at the medical facility. The team gathers around Aaron and Orion. Both are alive but critically weakened. Brother Oran Z expresses deep gratitude and pride in their sacrifices. Reflection and honor, a global broadcast is made. The existence of the Brothers in Black is revealed to the world. Brother Oran Z delivers a speech highlighting the courage and unity of humanity. The brothers are hailed as heroes, and a new era of transparency begins. Themes and motifs, sacrifice for the greater good, demonstrating the ultimate willingness to risk everything to protect others. Unity against adversity, showcasing how unity can overcome even the most overwhelming challenges. Legacy and hope, emphasizing the lasting impact of heroes and the hope they inspire for the future. Key takeaways, courage and selflessness. The brothers exemplify these virtues throughout the battle. The power of unity. Earth's victory is achieved through global cooperation and the combined efforts of the brothers and humanity. End of an era, beginning of another. The revelation of the Brothers in Black marks a significant shift in Earth's relationship with the galaxy. Closing scenes. Brother Aaron and Brother Orion begin to recover, surrounded by their comrades. The team reflects on their journey, acknowledging the growth and bonds they've formed. Brother Oran Z announces his retirement, passing leadership to Brother JJ, with Brother Oni as his second-in-command. Monuments are erected honoring those who fought and fell during the invasion. Final moments, the series concludes with the Brothers in Black looking toward the horizon. A new dawn breaks, symbolizing hope and the promise of a brighter future. Brother JJ declares, "As long as we stand together, there is nothing we cannot overcome." The camera pans out, showing Earth restored and at peace but vigilant, as the brothers continue their watch. __, epilogue. A brief epilogue hints at future adventures. In deep space, remnants of the alien armada gather. A shadowy figure observes Earth from afar, suggesting that challenges remain. The legacy of the Brothers in Black continues, inspiring new generations to defend the galaxy. Enjoy this epic and heartfelt conclusion to the Brothers in Black saga. Witness the ultimate test of courage, unity, and sacrifice as the team faces their greatest challenge yet. Through their unwavering commitment and heroism, they secure the fate of humanity and leave an enduring legacy of hope and resilience.